Valentine's Day means goodies, and I'm not just talking about heart-shaped candy. There are tons of delicious options to treat your loved ones. Hi, I'm Krystin Goodwin with Buzz60, and here are the best foodie gifts for Valentine's Day. For the health nut who's not so keen on eating candy, take a look at this dried fruit heart tray. This gift says you care about someone and their health. This is a pretty cool gift. Check out this personalized fondue set. You can order to have your names engraved or write a special message. And it's a gift you can use again. Take a look at Just Delicious Bakery. I stumbled upon this site a while back, and they have sugar-free and gluten-free options for tons of desserts. From chocolate-covered strawberries, cakes, to my personal favorite, the cannoli. I've tried these, and trust me, they are good. If you have anyone in the family who can't eat gluten or is diabetic, they can still indulge in their gift. But if your sweetheart just loves the real sweets, take a look at these. Chocolate-covered Oreo cookie grams. These will have anyone singing a new tune. So try a few of these sweet ideas for gifting this Valentine's Day and steal a heart with food. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.